Sniper trade of the day for May 20th, 2026. This is USD. So the black box represents the daily range from yesterday, the high and the low. And the orange line is the volume weighted average price. The blue box is the last 10 minutes bars of the day, sets as a reference point. We get a gap up open at 3. Um, it's a large enough gap that we would put a R5 bracket on it. It turned out that it didn't take that breakout in that first 10 minutes. So we waited for the 10-minute bar to close, which is the green bar at 4. That marks the high and low of the day. So I'm going to wait for a breakout of the green bar to get long or short. Nothing, nothing. At 5, we get a breakout to the upside. So we're long, and we have a stop at 6. That's a standard stop statistically, and it also happens to be the size of the OR10. So that's a convenient. The R10 rolls over, so I'm stalking the exit. Has a nice breakout to the upside, still stalking the exit. Exits at 7 when it hits the spine of the dragon for 1.5R. Try the 1, 2, 3 Kata 2 reentry at 8 with a standard risk. And does nothing as we get close to the last half hour of the day. And it just grinds into the close with the close right at the VWAP. So that's a fully saturated and satisfied kind of a trade for the semiconductors. And that's the sniper trade of the day. 2R in the usual manner.